Good morning everyone. I'm Jinny, 16 years old. I'm going to talk about Korea's fandom culture. Nowadays in Korea, there are many new singers who are called idols or K-pop stars. They are usually young, pretty, or handsome, and of course attractive. Actually, the reason why they became singers is not only that they sing well. Some of them just like dancing and singing, or they just wanted to become an idol to earn a lot of money and popularity. I started to love Korean Idol SHINee when I saw their performance and I loved their songs gradually. So I think we focus on their visual and performances at first. I know some idols are good at singing, but it is difficult to love their top these day idols because of their song and singing skills only. Anyway, they have many fans, especially among teenagers. They from the group which is called fandom. Fandoms have their own names such as SHINee World, Inspeed, VIP, and Beauty. It has many common sides. In this way, they can share a lot of things. Fandoms give the singers energy, courage, and inspiration. As time goes by, there are many troubles because many new fandoms and idol groups evolve. For example, they fight with their own color, slogan, symbol, and even emoticon. I want to tell everyone that Korean idols have more serious problems. Some of their fans are stalking them anytime, anywhere. A stalker knows their phone number, home address, and friends. So we could hear about that a stalker gets inside in their house and taking many pictures inside while waiting for the idol. Even when an idol is sleeping, they kiss on their idol's face. I can't understand why they do that. If they really love their idols, they have to protect their idol's privacy. Lastly, the best thing we should do is to think about other fandom's side and idol's feelings. I hope there's no more stalkers and trouble. We should enjoy watching or listening our idols. Thank you for your listening.